Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change or customize author information like name, display name, email, website, total post, or customize this option. Go to your theme option and click author page. There is author layout, how to show guard view or list view. For example, I select list view. Enable author banner. If you need author banner, just enable or disable this. Enable author pagination, enable or disable. Banner static title color, author banner title color, and total post text, author information. In author information, total post text. Just click here and change here. Author image. If you need a author image, just click here and enable author name. Click here and name like Shago. Enable author display name. If you need to show this, just enable or disable this. Display name text type. Enable author email. It and enable author website. If you need to go in website, enable here and here right here. Enable author total post number. Enable author description and enable author social icon. After all of the changes and finally after saving, go here, and just reload. After reloading, you see name Shabu admin, email address, and his website. And in author pages, we have another option, and in this option, you change all about author. Just go to your users, like users, just click here in this. After clicking, you see this. Here, you enter your author name like Shago, last name Shago, nickname, and display name Shago, author email, author website, author social media link, author WhatsApp link, author bio, and author profile picture, and author full address, name, last name, company, address, city, deep state, phone number, and billing address, and finally update. After updating, just go to your site and read all Shago and all of the